A person's chronotype refers to the propensity for the individual to sleep and wake at a particular time during 24 hours. There are three main chronotypes. Morning-type individuals or morning larks tend to wake up early in the morning and are more active during the earlier parts of the day. Evening-type people or night owls prefer to wake up much later in the day and are more active in the late evening or at night. And in-between individuals are called intermediate-type people. According to another classification, people are divided into four groups. People with lion chronotype or early birds make up about 15 to 20% of the population. They wake up early in the morning and are most productive between morning and noon. More than 50% of people in the world have the bird chronotype. They can easily fall asleep and wake up, and their schedule is based on the patterns of day and night. These people are most productive in the mid-morning and feel tired in the middle of the afternoon. People with wolf chronotype or night owls make up about 15 to 20% of the population. They hardly wake up in the morning and are most productive between noon and the evening. About 10 to 15% of the population falls into the dolphin chronotype category. These people are sensitive to environmental disturbing factors such as noises and lights, so they usually do not get enough sleep and suffer from insomnia. People with dolphin chronotype can hardly follow a sleep plan. They are most productive from mid-morning to early afternoon. The sleep-wake pattern is determined by two factors: sleep drive and circadian rhythm. Sleep drive or sleep pressure occurs when a person stays awake for a long time and tells the person that it is the time to sleep. Sleep pressure is caused by the accumulation of adenosine. Adenosine is released from the brain cells, which are called astrocytes, and has sleep-inducing effects. The concentration of adenosine increases after prolonged waking hours. This makes the sleep pressure stronger. Caffeine can bind to adenosine receptors and inhibits the adenosine effects by blocking the receptors. Circadian rhythms are the periodic changes in biological, cellular, and molecular processes that occur every 24 hours. The body secretes hormones such as melatonin, cortisol, and adrenaline and regulates the sleep-wake cycle based on the circadian rhythm. Some of the genes are involved in generating the circadian rhythm and are inherited from the person's parents. For example, the length of the PR3 gene determines the amount of sleep that a person needs, as well as the times of sleep and wakefulness. The circadian rhythm is regulated by an internal master clock, which is located in the suprachiasmatic nucleus of the anterior hypothalamus in the brain, and is influenced by the environmental stimuli or zeitgebers such as the light-dark cycle, food consumption, temperature changes, and so on. Therefore, the regulation of the circadian rhythm is the result of gene-environment interactions. Awareness of the sleep-wake cycle helps a person to plan properly for daily activities. This makes the body well rested and the brain sharper.